Hi, I'm Candy Sherwin. Thank you for coming here to learn a tutorial for the dance called The Door. This is choreographed by Rick Dominguez. It is an improver level with no tags or restarts. It has 2 walls. It goes to the song The Door by Teddy Swims. And my dog Scully has crashed the site again where we're taping. But as usual, I have no idea if he'll stay here or not. So anyway, I'm going to turn it on and we'll get started. So this dance is going to start on your right foot, stepping out on a diagonal. You're going to go out right foot, left foot, into a coaster step back, right, left, right, and then a rocking chair, left, right, and back, left, right. For my new dancers who don't know the names of those steps, when we step out on 1, 2, the coaster step goes back together forward, and the rocking chair, the right foot will stay in place, left, right, with counts. Angle out on 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the next count of 8 is going to start with another rock recover with your left foot, left, right. As you rock back, you might want to set it up a little bit because you're going to do a half a turn with a triple. But this is a run, step, 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 as opposed to a shuffle where we turn and we gradually get there. I'm going to turn a little sooner and run towards 6 o'clock. So I'm going to go rock, recover, step, 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 going back to 12 o'clock with a quarter turn hip roll, right, left, left. And generically, that's just right, left, and you're going to add that counterclockwise circle in. So that count of 8 again, second 8 goes 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2 8s together, 5, 6, 7, 8. We go right, left, coaster right, left, right, rocking chair. Now rock recover to your 3 steps to 6 o'clock. Roll 6, 7, 8. So you're back at your original wall. Take your right foot, rock out, 1, left, 2, weave, back side, front, step, hold, step, step, tap. Now I'm going to show that to you with counts and then show you where there's a little body roll in there also. So I'm standing on my left foot, take my right foot out on 1, 2, 3, and 4. Watch my body. 5, 6, and 7, 8. And this is a little touch back, and if you want to add a little flare, you can kind of look over your left shoulder on that. One more time on that count. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Side body roll. 5, 6, and 7, 8. Last count of 8. Your right foot is free. Step right, left, left. So you're in place. Sailor step. Behind, open, open. Weave to your right. Back, side, cross. And on the last count, right now your weight's on your left. You're going to rotate over your right shoulder for 7 and 8, turning, but finishing with your weight on your left foot so you're free to start the dance again. Okay? Very last count of 8. I'm here. I'm going to step out, right, left, sailor, right, weave, left, unwind, start again, 1. Counts on the last 8, go. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, turn 7, 8, 1, 2. Let's go from the top. I'll do both walls for you. As I said, there's no tags or restarts. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8, out. 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, rocking chair, 6, 7, 8, rock recover, 3 runs, 3 and 4, turn 5, 6, 7, 8, right, left, weave, 3 and 4, step 5, hold 6 and 7, tap 8, 1, 2, sailor 3 and 4, 5 and 6, turn 7, here we go, and 1, 2, coaster 3 and 4, rocking 5, 6, 7, 8, turn left, 2, 3 and 4, roll at 5, 6, 7, right here, right, behind, right, left, travel left, tap, right, left, weave, left, and turn again, and you you start the dance again. That's how you do the whole thing. So we're going to do it now with a little bit of music, and I'll turn around so we can do it. Here we go. How you do the door, in parentheses, show me. And I appreciate you coming to my line dance channel today to take a look at this. If you aren't a subscriber, I hope that you will subscribe. And please feel free to share this video, comment on it, like it. That would be outstanding. And if you're in the Los Angeles area, make sure that you look me up. And Scully, thanks for being a part of this today, Scully. You were very exciting. Thanks for coming. See you next time.